Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a function that gets the desktop path and then we're going to return the desktop files. So here's the function desktop, and we're going to create desktop path, which is going to be equal to os.path.join, then os.path.expand user. Okay, and we're going to get the path here. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to insert this little squiggly character here, which kind of matches. So this is just going to, this is just going to grab the path here, and we want desktop. So we want it to find the desktop path. Okay, so desktop files. Equal to os.list_dir, okay, which is going to be the desktop path. Right, that should list all the files and folders on the desktop. Okay, now we're going to print them out. So we've got the path, which is the desktop, and we're going to list all the files and directories on the desktop, and we're going to print them out. So we're going to use the format string, so that's going to be F there, and that's going to be desktop path. So do that, desktop path. Okay, and we're going to print out files on desktop, and we're going to do a for loop through them now. So for file in desktop files, and we're going to print out the files. So print file. Now all we're going to do is we're going to call the function by calling it desktop and check it out. Okay, so I'll just save that, run the program. There we go. So what it's done, it's got the desktop path. So this here has got the desktop path, and we come down here and we've listed all the directories and files in that path, which are there, and we come down here, we've used the format string to print out the desktop path and the files on the desktop, and we've done that by looping through them. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember as always to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment, just say hello if you want to, and as always I will see you in another video. Bye-de-bye.